Boys are out and heading to California. All right, boys, we're out here. Made it to the airport.
A chocolate chip muffin.
All right, made it past TSA.
A donut.
Simon and I got the lovely random selection of getting a pat down, so always fun, not worried. Simon, are you excited for California?
No.
He's super
really
excited
to play Minecraft when I get home.
This guy, man. All right, Kyle, you excited for California?
I'm so excited. Like, here's normal people's levels of excitement, and then here's mine.
Fun fact, Kyle's never been to an airport, so what do you think of it so far?
It's pretty big.
Pretty big. You heard it from him. Boys, we landed. Heading to Cali, first time. Plane's empty. All right, we had a safe flight right here, Huntington Beach. You already know, Kyle had a good first experience on a plane. Yeah, so we got 2 cars down here. Right now it's just me and Kyle. Now we're gonna link up with the other guys. They park somewhere else. Yeah, we're meeting at the pier. Weather here is a lot nicer than Michigan, 70 degrees, sunny.
What is going on, guys?
Kyle's wearing all black though, so not sure what his strat is over here.
I'm gonna change.
But yeah, weather's a lot better than Michigan. California experience, pretty good. A little different than Florida. God, what do you think about California so far?
I like palm trees.
We made it to the pier. We found them. All right, boys, what's your thoughts of California so far?
It's warm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dumb lit, says Simon. All
Dumb
right.
lit.
Oh my, come on.
Oh.
Dude, what are you doing?
What are you waiting for? No wonder you're bag.
Guys. Good surfers out here.
He's still going.
There he goes.
You guys gonna put it on or no?
It's for
bucks?
Donations.
Oh, this is it is crazy because like underneath the scales you can just feel like a forced muscle. I hope she doesn't kill me. No. It feels like it hurts. If you would get killed by her, it'd be an honor though, you know?
I got it on camera, so it's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, you excited?
For the
vlog.
Oh, I'm baby.
Alright, Kate, camp sister, just held a snake. You'll see that clip right here. No, it's not sure why or why she wanted to do that, but let's ask her why and how it went. So, how'd it go?
It was like 50 pounds and it was moving everywhere. And it was so scary. Oh my God.
Well, there you have it. So if you want to go to Huntington Beach, hold a snake. It's up there. $10. And it's her birthday.
Yeah.
Alright, Huntington Beach was dope. Now we're back at the house, checking that out, going for a run, come back, hop in the pool. Alright, just finished easy run, about 4 miles. Now, pool time.
Okay, now start.
Hey, ready? Go! Out here at the Montage in Laguna Beach. Super nice over out here. All the house on the hills. And now we can show you a sunset. Alright, we're heading up on top of this. Let's go! I'm coming! We made it. Alright, we made it.
I can't video of me jumping off.
That's dangerous, Serge. Cam, what are you doing down there? Alright guys, that concludes today's vlog of T-Bolt TV. Headed to California. Hope you enjoyed it. There'll be a lot more content coming along with this trip. Right now you can catch sunset in the back. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. You know what to do. Smash the subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you until next time.